Located in the suburb of Manurewa, 20 minutes away from Auckland CBD or the airport, the Auckland Botanical Gardens cover 64 hectares of land, among which 10 hectares are dedicated to the native forest. Opened in 1982, the gardens are young by world standards. The gardens are open all year round with free entry, attracting over 950,000 visitors annually. You can explore gardens of both native and exotic plants that can help you relax, delight, be entertained, or even inspired. Among these gardens, you can also find many lakes, the award-winning Potter Children's Garden, and a growing collection of outdoor sculptures made by New Zealand artists. If you're feeling hungry, you can find many green spaces to have a picnic, or head on over to Cake Miko, located in the Huakaiwaka Visitor Centre, where you can enjoy garden views while having a nice cup of coffee or a snack. The Huakaiwaka Visitor Centre also hosts seasonal displays explaining the beautiful diversity of plants you can find in your time here. With all year availability and no charge, the Botanical Gardens are waiting for you.